this video, we're going to show you how to add contacts and groups on Temi Center. Here, you can create or import contacts and create groups to assign to your Temi. First, click the Add Contacts button and choose whether you'd like to create a new contact or import contacts from your mobile app. To import an existing contact, select From Mobile App. A list of your phone contacts will appear on the screen. Select the ones you wish to add and click the Add button. After you have added the desired contacts, you will be able to edit them and add additional information and a photo, just like a new contact. To create a new contact, click the Add Contacts button and select New Contact. Enter the information of your contact. You can also add portrait images of your contacts so Temi can recognize them with face recognition in various modes. We recommend you add at least 5 images for each contact for ideal face recognition. When you're done, click Save. Groups. After creating your contacts, you can create groups to assign to your Temi. Only contacts that have the Temi mobile app will be shown on Temi. To create a group of contacts, select Groups and click the Create Group button. Name your group and hit Save. Now that your new group is open, you can either add contacts from your contacts list or by creating new contacts. For any questions on Temi Center, be sure to reach out to our support team on the Temi app or on robottemi.com/support.